Afternoon, how are we all doing? My name's Sped. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to take you through a new little warm-up that I've created on the electric guitar. And this is something that you can sneak in before you practice at home, or maybe you want to put it on before a big gig or a little gig. It can be a tiny gig. However big your gig is, you can use this warm-up. This warm-up will be really good for you because it uses all 4 fingers mixed with a little bit of alternate picking. It goes around the circle of fifths on its little journey across the fretboard, and we're chucking in some specialist techniques. To be specific, triplet hammer-ons and pull-offs. Makes it a little bit more difficult, but it'll get you warmer quicker, and that's the whole point. And to top it off, it's musical. And we mentioned this last time. Chromatics, great. They'll warm you up. These kind of warm-ups, they're warming up the brain as well, the musical mind. The basis of it is this major scale shape. We're in the key of C and we're rooted to the G string, starting on fret 5 with the index finger. The actual pattern though, that we're going to play goes like this. Now the way the warm-up works is we start in C, and just as we make our way back down to the root note again, we move up a perfect fifth to G. So it'll go like this. And then if you know your circle of fifths, next would be D. Then A. And if we just keep moving around a perfect fifth, then eventually you'll get back to C. And that would complete one rotation of the warm-up, and it will go up 20 BPM. If you want the tab or the backing track to go with this, you can grab that on my Patreon. Until then, let's get cracking.
100 BPM. (120 BPM). (140 BPM). 160 BPM. 180 BPM. 200 BPM.
'Another one to sneak into your little warm-up practice routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you warmed up. If you're not, do it again. And again. You warm now? Good. Of course, if you do enjoy these videos and you'd like me to create some more, then let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, hit like, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Then you'll be notified. And you can be here warming up before anyone else. That's the type of dedication I can get on board with. Of course, if you would like to support the channel further, you can on Patreon, where you'll also get tabs for warm-up lessons and other lessons like this, backing tracks, guitar profiles, a little chat with me. Comment of the week has been going off at the moment. Oh yeah, I see you. And the odd one, which I find funny, or the one that I don't like. I might screenshot it, have a private laugh about it. So you're being warned, to be honest. Final warning. Anyway, I've run out of words, so I'm going now. Hope you're warm. Have a very warm weekend and a very warm week, and I'll catch you soon.